Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to show a missing toolbar in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Right, so as you can see I'm using this project management Google spreadsheet, but I cannot see the toolbar here. And the reason the toolbar is missing because we are in a full screen mode. So I can exit this full screen mode and show the toolbar again. All you have to do is go to any cell and right click on that cell, and then you will have the option to exit full screen. And as you can see now the toolbar is visible again, and the menu bar as well, and the name of the spreadsheet project management sheet is visible again. So as you can see, if you go to view, full screen is the option you have selected accidentally that put your spreadsheet to a full screen mode. And as you can read here, you can not only use the method I've just shown you, but you can also use the ESC keyboard shortcut, and this will also exit the full screen and show the missing toolbar. So now this is how to fix if you have a missing toolbar and show that missing toolbar in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database, or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free, and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.